Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. Today we're going to take a look at the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Excited to try these out. They have a new updated design. They have active noise cancellation. So we are going to see what comes inside the box. On top of that, connected to our phone, see the software and other features. There's actually some cool additional features to these earbuds within the app. And then of course we will try them on and I'll give you some feedback on how they fit. Let's get started. Here are the new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro from Samsung, a new design to them. There's some of the features that they include up towards the top. Anyways, opening up the box, let's see what we get inside. Standard quick start guide. We also have a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB Type-C, but also inside here, take a peek. Don't just throw this cable to the side, because here is where those extra tips, those earbuds are that you can replace with different sizes. I believe the medium are pre-installed, comes with small and large. As a lot of you know, I'll probably have to put the large ones on. Anyways, on to the Buds 2 Pro with a wireless charging case. A really neat feel. It's kind of a matte white color to it, not glossy. I really like that about this case. It's not very reflective. USB Type-C for charging, status indicator up towards the front. Opening them up for the first time, revealing that new design. Sound by AKG. You'll notice a green light letting me know that these are fully charged. Taking them out, let's take a very quick close-up of these earbuds. There they are. With active noise cancellation, they do have a transparency conversation mode, so you can hear what's going on around you. Now, we are going to get these all set up. Let me grab my phone. Grabbing our Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let's get this all set up. Opening it up right away. Wow, like almost instantly recognizes the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Hit connect, and they are connected. You're ready to go, but there are some customizations you can make, and I highly recommend going through now and getting these all set up. You'll notice the Bluetooth icons up at the top. It is connected to the Buds. Let's go ahead and run through the startup process within the Galaxy Wearable app. Within the app, you get battery information. You can toggle noise canceling and ambient sound on and off. It's really up to you. You have to put them in to change that. Voice detect. When your voice is detected, automatically turn on ambient sound and lower media volume. That's really neat, actually. You can test that out, and the conversation when your voice isn't detected for a certain amount of time. So that will be a lot of fun to check out. There's 360 audio to hear all around you. You can customize the touch controls, tapping, play, pause, double tap to skip to the next track, triple tap to play previous track. Now, touching and holding, you can customize left and right earbuds. I don't want them to be the same. I prefer it to be voice command on the left and active noise canceling on the right. Finally, double tap answers or ends call, and touch and hold will decline a call. So those are all our customization touch controls. Let's go into earbud settings where you have an equalizer. There's a fit test, so we'll run that in just a second. Bixby voice wake up if you happen to use that, reading notifications. Just running through, showing you all of the different options. Next stretch reminders, that's kind of neat. Probably something that's healthy to have. Going into labs, you can double tap the earbud edge, and there's a gaming mode as well. So double tapping the edge will turn the volume down on the left earbud, and on the edge of the right earbud, it will turn the volume up. So we can test that out actually in just a second. I really want to try these on. Gaming mode as well to minimize the audio delay. They have that as an option to turn on or off. And that's just everything I want to show off for now within our app. Let's go ahead and try these Buds 2 Pro on. Almost forgot going to change the ear tips because I assume I'm going to need the large one. Small up towards the top, medium on the earbuds, and large down at the bottom to replace them. Very simple. Just go ahead and peel that off and grab your other one, line it up. There's just a look at the mechanism. Line it up, pop it on, and you are ready to go. So let's try on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for the first time. I do have those larger ear tips in, which they should be the right fit. and setting it on in. Fits comfortably there and feels very secure, actually. It seems very flush with my ear. And actually really impressed with how secure these are. These fit really well. Not all earbuds fit, but my ears are kind of a weirder shape, and obviously everyone's ear shape is different, so don't think that because they fit my ears, they're going to fit yours, but this is very promising, and I do really like how it kind of sits underneath here. It doesn't need kind of an extra wing. I just started the music, actually, so it's playing music in my ear. Right now I can hear myself. I'm gonna press and hold the right earbud. And there we go. Now it has that active noise canceling on. I can't hear it myself quite as easily. But I wanted to just test out some of those gesture features. So I do have a song playing right now. So I'm going to double tap. And it should skip. Oh, you know what's happening is, oh my gosh, it's working. So when I talk into the camera, since I have it enabled, it's actually turning off active noise cancellation and bringing the music volume down. So that does really work. I'm gonna pause for just a second. Okay, it's louder. It went back up, turned that noise canceling back on. So that's actually really useful. I think if I just start talking, because obviously I'm not going to be talking into a camera the whole time I'm listening to music, but if I do actually have a conversation with someone and it automatically turns the volume down, lets more sound in, that's super valuable. Okay, for the sake of the video, I turned off that voice to text, so now it's just consistent volume. It has that active noise canceling on. Now, if I double tap, there we go. It skips the song. If I triple tap, it should go back. I'm guessing it'll repeat. Yeah, so it repeats. You get an audio feedback as well. Okay, now I want to try that volume. It's actually a double tap on the edge. So if it turned the volume up. You see? There it goes. So that front, okay, it's getting a little too loud, but you get the point of what I'm trying to say is that actually works really well. You just have to, be a little more precise with where you press it, because obviously if you press it more towards the middle, it'll skip the song. And then one final press and hold on the right side to actually be able to hear myself a little bit better. And then if I press and hold the left earbud, it does activate the whatever assistant you want to use. It actually has prompted me on the phone for Bixby, Alexa, or Google. So it's up to you which assistant you want that to activate. Nice that you can customize that and you don't just have to use Samsung's Bixby if you don't want to. But anyways, that's it for me on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Really happy with how these fit. I'll be able to work out, run, move around. Should have no issues whatsoever. So excited to try them out, hear that sound quality. But drop a comment, let me know what you think. I'll post all the links down in the description of the video. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon on all these Samsung devices. Thanks for watching.